Hello students, in today's section we will see a 12th program of Java. The program name is Illustrate Creation of Thread by Extending Thread Class and Implementing Runnable Interface. Okay. So in this session we are going to see how to create thread. Okay. So there are two ways to create a thread. First one is by extending thread class and the second one is by implementing runnable interface. Okay. So first of all, what is thread? The thread class is a thread of execution in a program. Okay. So let's see the first way to create a thread. So for that, create a thread by a new class that extends thread class and create an instance of that class. The extending class must override run method, which is entry point of new thread. In this program, we must override the run and then use the start method to start and run the thread. Okay. So let's see the coding. So this is the way to creating a thread by extending a thread class. Okay, so let's discuss class thread extends thread. We have created here the class with the name thread extends, which extends a thread class. Extends is the keyword to extend a thread. Okay, or to inherit a thread class. Inside the class, we have declared a method. The method name is public void run. Okay. So whichever class extends a thread class that have to override that class have to override the run method in the program. Okay. So run method is used to perform action for a thread. Okay. It contains body of the code to execute. Okay. So inside the run method we have written system.out.println inside brackets creating thread by extending thread class. Okay. So we will printing this line on the console and we are closing with the run method. After that we have written public static void main. This is main method of program which reads string argument. Inside the main method we have created the object, we have created the instance of the class, that is a thread extends t1 equal to new thread extends, and with the help of that object we are calling here the start method. Start method is used to start a newly created thread which performs a new thread class. A thread moves from new state to the runnable or to the run state. Okay. So this is the code for extending thread class. Let's execute this program. To execute this program, open command prompt. Okay. So d colon, enter into your folder, then compilation command, that is javac, program name, that is thread extends dot java, and press enter. Okay. Run command, that is java, program name thread extends. Okay. And press enter. It is showing you the message that is creating thread by extending thread class, which we have written inside the run method. Okay. So this is the output for this program. So after that, let us see the second way to create a thread. This is the way by implementing runnable interface. In this program, we have implements runnable interface which helps to create a new thread. Okay, so let's discuss class thread implements. This is the class with the name thread implements which implements runnable interface. Implements is also keyword to implement any interface in the class. Okay, so inside this class we have written public void run method which contains system.out.println creating a thread using runnable interface, because in this program, in this way, we are implement runnable interface to create a new thread. Okay, so we are printing here the message create a thread using runnable interface, and we are closing with the run method. After that, we have written public static void main. This is the main method which reads string argument. Inside the main method, we have created here the object for class, that is thread implements m1 equal to new thread implements. After that, we are creating here the object for thread class, because if you are not extending the thread class, your object would not be treated as a thread object. So you need to explicitly create a thread class object, and we are passing the object of your class to the thread object that implements runnable, so that your class run method may execute. Okay, so by passing this object of a class to the thread class, we are calling here the run method, we are execute here the run method. Okay, and after that we have called here the start method, which is used to start a newly created thread which performs a new thread class. A thread moves from new state to the runnable state. Okay, and we are closing with the class. So to execute this program, open command prompt. Then d colon cd folder name, compilation command, that is javac, program name, that is thread implements. Okay, and .java. Press enter. To run this program, type java thread implements, then press enter. It is showing you the message that is create a thread using runnable interface, which we have already stored inside the run method. Okay, so run method is executed and it is showing the message. Okay, so this is the code for the create a new thread using extends class and using implements runnable. Okay, hope you understood this program. Thank you.